my name's Rachel. I'm one of the artists who normally works on the arts and crafts workshops up at the McWilliam Gallery. But unfortunately at the moment we can't run any workshops because we all have to stay at home to stay safe. But that doesn't mean we shouldn't be making art. So I've got a few lovely Easter themed activities for us. In this workshop we're going to learn how to make a lovely Easter card with an Easter bunny on it. Okay, just using materials of things we should have around the house. So hopefully you might have a little bit of coloured paper, maybe 2 different colours of wool, a glue stick, felt tip, pencil, maybe a red crayon, pair of scissors, some googly eyes, which are just like these here. If not, you can draw them on a piece of white paper and stick them on later, and some old magazine sheets. Okay? So what you want to do to start off with is take your magazine and you want to draw a nice bunny shape on it. Okay? So what you want to do here is a nice big oval shape even, like the base of a snowman, and then a little head on top. Okay? And then 2 big bunny ears. And you should have a nice bunny shape just like that. Okay? Then what you want to do is cut it out. And I've done one earlier. Okay? Just like this here. Okay? So then what you want to do is get your little piece of card, and we want to glue the back of the bunny just with our glue stick. So a nice big circle and a little bit in the head. Not too much on the ears. Okay, turn it round and stick it on. Just like that. Okay, then we want to put on our nice little googly eyes. So these are sticky on the back already. So I've already taken the backs off those. So one little eye on, and then the next little eye. Okay, so there's 2 little eyes now. Then, in another workshop, I showed you how to make little fork pom-poms. So we're going to add a little fork pom-pom down at the bottom here, and I just used some nice yellow wool. Like this here, and I'm just going to stick that on there, give him a nice wee fluffy tail. Now all he needs is nice wee mouth and whiskers. So I'm going to draw the mouth on. What you do is you just draw 2 nice little, I suppose, J shapes, just like that, and a backwards one as well. Okay? Then you get your darker coloured string and you want to cut 3 little strips, probably about the length of your finger. No longer, otherwise it'd be very droopy whiskers. Just 3. And then what we want to do is just take the 2 together and tie a knot with a 3rd one around the 2. And that creates our little whiskers. Just like that. Okay. What you want to do to stick that on is put a nice little bit of your glue stick and just stick it on, and that should hold it down. Okay? Just like that. Now, all your little bunny is missing is a little pink bit in his ear. So just got to colour that in like that there. Nice little bit of colouring here. And then, because I want him to look like he has floppy ears, I'm going to bend the little ear over. Just like that. And it makes it look a little bit floppy. And I'm going to do the other one. Just like that as well. So then we have our little bunny with floppy ears. And you could use this as a little Easter card. You could pop it in the post. Thanks very much. Stay safe. Bye now.